I can never turn back. Oh no, no. It's already too late. Oh no, no. Then you put on black now. You're doing a lot of things.
Just told me to take another shirt.
Oh yeah, Michelle, use this thing to share to program for me. I can never turn back. Oh no, no. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Hey, hey. Deja, come and hold this camera. Maybe I can't see the kind of. When I see shoes, when I want. Hey, sir, I see light. I use power take carrier. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Michelle, share to program. This one now. Live video.
I just noticed Muna, her name means you guys.
Hey. Oh, see for family, Mona can't receive sense. I can't still look for my trouble. John Osifo. John Osifo, Janet Osifo, Blessing Osifo, Henry Osifo, Le Buku. See family, may they can't receive sense. Now see, huh? What is this? Jib. Jib. Now it be this. Ogbenge and original. Osifo family. We are not fit talk to our son. Today, I am going to disguagua that John Osifo where they piss for body. That John Osifo when teeth not there in mouth again, when they carry catheter everywhere, they peaceful for bed. John Osifo, you know if you talk to your son, Abi? You know if you talk to your stupid son because like father, like son, now you be John Osifo. You know if you talk to Eliza, Gigolo, your son. Janet Osifo. Hey, so far don't buy you. Your mother now is more than 300 years. Now so it be. She dey shit put for body. Why this phone not charge? Make she not try and move. You see when I put for charger since. Otherwise you put them for extension though. Yeah. Make I put on my deal shoe. Your son come up for Europe. You know if he buy you shoes. He deport himself. Janet Osifo, you see how much you have failed? You have failed in parenting. Your son run away, son. No if he build house, put you. No if he back car, give you. How are we going to charge this phone now? Before you enter 10%. Let's go and do something. Eh? John Osifo, come and receive sense. As he be say, you know if you train your pikin. You know if you train your shameless pikin. You guys are failure in parenting. The disgrace where your gigolo son, the car they can't give you for social media has already testified that you are a failure. You are a failure. Janet Osifo, you are a failure. John Osifo, you are a failure. See in our house as is scatter. See Blessing Osifo, your husband is a drunkard. Your husband is a thief. He's a criminal. He's a thief. Abigail, you never see do DNA, come submit, give me you. Una never do. Your son is a blackmailer. John Osifo, swear under your Bible that you did not know that your son blackmailed me. And you did not get the video of my nakedness. John Osifo, swear say you not get the video of my nakedness. John Osifo, the father of Eliab Osifo, swear that you did not receive the video and the picture of my nakedness that your son used to blackmail me. Swear. Go report me for Ayelala. T family, happy Sunday, guys. John Osifo, shameless, pissy for bed, you know they shame. Who be that? Oh, John Osifo. Pissy for bed, you know they shame. Who be that? Oh, John Osifo. Pissy for bed, you know they shame. Who be that? Oh, John Osifo. Pissy for bed, you know they shame. Who be that? Oh, John Osifo. Shameless family. Look at all of una who make am for una life. None of you were able to purchase bicycle for your father. Me, more. Now you come buy your papa car. Eliza, the gigolo of our time, carried my video again day before yesterday. Monetize my video again. You not see her and say create content with your shower girlfriend. This woman, when her pekus wide, when you say her pekus wide, when get children under her roof, when her children be fatherless, you are a barren. Your so-called shower girlfriend are barren. You not fit create content. You not fit create content. He doesn't want to see me happy. Whenever he sees me happy, hey, they come from their own fake life. They say, I mean, they live fake life. When we say, when you guys see her, that day, my son gave me this jib. I they wear them, I be, I know they wear them. Now fake life, I be, now not be fake life. The shoes and bag Valerie bought for me. Did I not film it yesterday? Film her well. Now they see this watch. This watch now, bang, I know they brag. Now then they live fake life. Now they go to shameless, see gas when you say they cook. When I come down, see gas. Where is the white charger? Deja, go and bring me the white charger. Let me go a place where I can plug. Or yeah, come and do video. We are doing video. All of us are doing video. Let me charge him. Anytime you guys are doing 1 or 2, let me charge fast so I can join in. Okay? My own is just 17%. Now I give them woto. I won't go. Let me go and bring the charger. Let me bring the charger.
I think I ask you to wear singlet under. They can see your whole breast.
I'm from Memphis, what you know about me? AGLO in the GLE. Wow. Hi guys, this is my outfit check. What do you guys say? Outfit of the day. First time wearing drugs. Does it fit me? Yes or no? What you're saying? Feeling cute.
You see, this one a fake life. This human being a fake life. Mona Deja, come here. Does this look like fake life to you? See, see where I dey for where Deja dey. See where I dey. Now they see her. She's taller.
Oh my God.
You see? Munachi, come here. Let me tell you something I've never told you before. Munachi, come here, baby. Come. Let me tell you something I never told you before.
What?
Siam, do you know that your father died last week? Eliabosifo died last week. You are fatherless. You are fatherless, okay? You see, now my baby, no fake life. You are gone. Bonanande, Eliab is gone. Eliab Allah onale. Eliab Allah ona is gone. Eliab is gone. You will never see Eliab again. He's gone. Rest in peace. Now your girlfriend talk more. Rest in peace. Eliab Allah olale bolala. It's only someone who is dead that his bola is also gone. You are gone. Your girlfriend said you are gone. You are buried because she knows that you are a walking corpse. She said you are gone. Eliabanale, you are gone. Bola is gone. Does this look like fake life? You see my car. How many years is he parked here now? Does this house look like fake house? I'll go charge my phone, guys. Let me look for where I can get charger. Does it look like fake life? Eliaba Male Allah is gone. Rest in peace. Where extension? Eliaba Allah Olale. Eliab is gone. Rest in peace. Amwala, Eliab is gone. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Eliab, he don't die. His girlfriend announced it last week that he's dead. He said, Eliab. Why would you enter my page and collect video? All the ones where they do with your Ashawo girlfriend, did I come and collect the video? Because anywhere where you dey, I don't want to know. If your video is going, when you guys did a saga with my name, they fight, they quarrel, una get small view. Did I mind? Because as long as I'm concerned, Eliab Olale is gone. Olale is gone. Because to me personally, you are gone. You are buried. You are gone. Even though you are earning 300,000 euro on your platform, I don't care. But for you to live your miserable life in that Nigeria, come and be collecting my video. Each time you collect, your mother, your father, with single video, will be receiving it. I go to insult your papa. I never start to. I get mouth. I'm still respecting them. This one's when they give, I'm respecting them. You have staggered my children enough. If you continue staggering my children, I'm not saying, as you are staggering me, they do everything. I'm not saying you, but it's only when you come and cross your boundaries by collecting my videos. The video I made with Don Billion is coming for you. You want to do saga, ba? You dey look for saga. Because saga is your food. Saga is your daily bread. You are gone. See gas when you take the cook. See pots. Like even students will never use such gas or pots. This one a live video. This one not no filter. This is me. A mother of 5, I will go to work. I know my salary every month. I will come back, see my big house. I get garden. See upstairs. We never even started to use. I never feel clean upstairs. I tell they use and create content. How many rooms? 6 rooms, 3 floors. I get appointments, parent meeting, everything. Laundries, see clothes. You know they finish for our house. At the end of the day, I will still create contents. After creating contents, you that is a barren human being, you that use that deportee, will still have the effort to collect my video, put them for your page, hide and they collect revenue. Oh, leburuku, thief. Oh, all the names I have called you, no one you have come outside to deny. Deny that you did not video my nakedness and use it to blackmail me. And collected 12 million plus 2,000 euro. I'm still repeating it. Deny it that you did not collect the revenue from KO Family Program, KO Kids, KO Production, and Melia Platform. Deny, swear, bring out Bible and swear. Last time you brought out Bible, this one, I want you to get naked. Bring out Bible. Your girlfriend, period, use and swear. If maybe lie against you, swear say you know use almost 1 year to shit blood for this house. Blood. Eliab, swear say you know use shitting blood to blackmail me. Eliab Osifo, swear say you know shit blood, Amazon blood. Eliab, swear go to Ayelala, go to Idumwesa, go anywhere, go and report me today being Sunday. Say you know they shake head, say you get Parkinson. Whenever they tell you make you walk. When I turn around, I say, head, don't stop. I say, why? Be say, now only when they tell you go do something. I say, this one not be juju be this. Swear say you not tell us say you get cancer. Say your head they fall. Swear say you no use and blackmail me say you get cancer. Say this is disgusting. It is not disgusting. He collected my video. I work so hard. I have 5 children. He's not paying child benefits. He collected every access. KO Family Program. Collected all our platforms. Wreck me. Now I'm rebuilding. He's carrying Day before yesterday, carried another video of my platform. It is disgusting for a separated partner, for one person to be person. See, as much as we are with another Obenga beautiful leper shandy girl, I'm supposed to be the one crying, baby. I'm supposed to be the one crying. I'm supposed to be one like, oh my God, somebody else have collected my husband. Oh, I am so lonely. I feel so lonely. I'm the one. But instead, you are the one crying. You are the, both of you joined together are crying, taking my videos. Are you trying to let me know indirectly that I'm more beautiful than that trash you kept at home that can't even clean pots? Let me go and bring you some of my pots. Where the pots? Let me bring you some of my pots. Oh, one of them are so easy. We cook too much this period. We cook too much. Food everywhere. We cook a lot. See the back of pots. See back of pots. We cooked. We just used it. We will not wash it. We used a lot of our pots. Everywhere is filled up because I'm working tomorrow. I'm working on Tuesday. I have made fried rice. I have made vegetables stew. I have made rice and beans. I made meat. So that when I'm at work, the children come back from school, they can eat. In the evening, when I come back from work around 8 o'clock, I don't have to cook. I just cook and I will just store it in fridge. Even noodle. I made noodle. You saw it when we use it to make content. I made plenty. Anyone they want, they will take it. Look at the pots. Look at the pot, your colo. You can't see she as shameless as they are, because they are walking cops. As shameless as they are, they brought their mother. Their mother's leg. She had the effort to bring her mother to Saga Moa. When we say that woman, when you can't carry leg up like this, now so in leg be. I saw the woman leg be. He carry him up, the Saga me. See woman, where they suffer, where teeth not there her mouth again. And so she open pekus, they look for who want Duduvaga her. I they make advert for herself. That shameless, falling everything. When your children are in the mortuary, maybe they don't even throw away those two boys as useless as that woman be. You can't saga more. That shameless we don't get it for mouth. Can't saga more. Can't saga more. Oh God, anything you guys are saying on your platform, it doesn't hurt me. Because I am better than your mother. I'm better than your father. I am better than the Osifo family. John Osifo, Juliet Osifo. I am better than all of you. If I am not better than all of you, you will not be talking about me, because I'm the runner. I'm the, I'm the leader. When you are the head, you are the topic. When you are the head, you are the topic and the headlines. If not because what I possess is too much, you will not be carrying my platform. You will not be carrying my videos. You will not be carrying my videos. Because as we are already separated, my peku is big. Now me they buy people for Europe. Now me don't marry 7 times. A woman that has married 7 times, why should I even see her? I wouldn't even see her again. I wouldn't mind her again. I don't give a damn about a woman who has married 7 times. Very irritating, very disgusting. A woman that has married 7 times and you still have the effort to still post her, carry me, talk about myself on your platform. I am supposed to be irritated to you, baby. A woman where her peku is big like this is a shame. You are not supposed to come outside and talk. See, if somebody asks you, that one are your ex-wife? Say, no, I don't know her before. No, I don't know that woman, maybe. don't know, maybe I don't know how. God forbid. I don't know how. But she looks like your ex-wife. No, she look familiar. That is how it's supposed to be, to let me know that you have moved on. That is how you're supposed to let me know that you have moved on, that you are with a beautiful girl, that you are with someone who is better than me. But hey, my kindness, my love, my sense of peace, my confidence, my creativity, my speciality is already stocked in you. She can never be me. She can never be like me. She can only copy. But, you know, whenever you look at her, whenever you are Duduvaga in her, you are meditating about me. You know what I mean? You are meditating. And me, they make you come, even as you did for Nigeria. And me, they make you come. The reason why you continue to talk about me is because I remind you of how I gave it to you, how I whine my way, how I sit on top of your mouth and make you suck it and give you a slap on your head and say, suck it, nigga. Suck the peckles, nigga. Thank you so much for the stars. God bless you. You know you like it that way. Chop it, nigga. Chop it, chop it. You crazy? You only make like this. I put them for your nose. I say, chop this thing. After all, you don't get work. You know, sabi work. Now this one you sabi chop the thing. Chop one. I tell you, Ade, chop it. And me, you the reason. Swear say not be me to see they make you come orgasm. Swear. Otherwise you go high, reach Jamaica. You don't know what you got until you lose it. You have lost me for life. So leave everything that belongs to me, anything that concerns me. That is when I know that you have moved on. Not by moving to Nigeria. Move on from there. Anything that concerns me shouldn't be your concern. Anything about my platform shouldn't be your problem. Whatever I am doing shouldn't be your problem. Just like the way I ignore you, like as a working course where you be. Tina, 500 stars. Happy Sunday to moi. Happy Sunday to moi and happy Sunday to you, darling. Danke Filma. This is my Schwester and links. Thank you so much, darling. You know I'm too good for you. You know you are not up to me. I was just managing you just because of our tribe. Just because, oh, your father will call me sweetheart, angel, 20 stars again. Thank you so much, sweetheart. God bless you abundantly. Who is this? Jennifer. I love you. Mwah. You thought I was going to crumble when you took everything away from me. You thought I was going to cry and go on my knees and beg you back. You that is a stay-at-home boyfriend, according to your girlfriend. She don't see you finish. She still call you my stay-at-home boyfriend. My stay-at-home ogodogu. Stay-at-home, not only bed, you sabi. Whether you are bed riding now, I don't know. Stay-at-home husband. Stay-at-home boyfriend. My stay-at-home odogu. My stay-at-home. Which man stays at home? You have children from different mothers, but none of them are visiting your roof every weekend. Neither none of them are staying under your roof. You are an irresponsible young man, guy, old man, irresponsible old man. Responsibility makes a man responsible. A way you know that a man is responsible and he should call a man is when he has his wife. If not, he has his wife, he has responsibility. Which responsibility do you have? Did you hear what your ex-wife said, your first ex-wife said that day, or your second ex-wife? When your colo mentor was telling her that day they were eating, go and watch the video again. You know you always post shit without knowing. Thank you for 100 stars. Cindy. Thank you so much, darling. I love you. Happy Sunday. She said, why you not carry earlier? Colomenta tell your ex-wife, say, why you should not carry? Say, no, you know when you have left a man, you will now realize that you find better. So that means everybody is finding better. What about Onyinye? Not Onyinye that they call that girl. We can't help on a shoot video that made you guys to come and tell the whole world that it was a prank. He said, what is going to be doing with you? She wrote it on her platform. She said it on her platform. That how would her fans think that she will go for less? When I hear them, I go, hey. Oh, you know, tomorrow, baby, I de kachiko. Oh, you know, tomorrow, baby, I de. And you think, after everybody have seen you, I covered you. I didn't want you be like a dog who will be saying, you know, if you sit down one place, I was chaining you up, I was covering you up. As you don't losing yourself now, they run for streets. You don't chop shit. You don't chop everything naughty and nasty and smelling, disgusting. You have rubbed yourself on the mud. You think, or that your colon mentor think in this whole wide world, I will pick you as a husband. I even never will tell Munachi that she has a father. As you have heard, I told her that you are dead. Because it was your wife, your girlfriend, that said that Eliab is gone. Eliab is gone. Eliab Allah. Eliab Ona. Eliab Bona. Eliab Allah. Eliab is gone. You left this country May last year back to Nigeria, baby. No child. You're not paying any child benefits. What have you achieved? Clothes you don't have. The reason why you are naked making content is not because you want to shoot content as naked, just because you don't have clothes. Because the last time you managed to put on clothes, I checked the clothes. It is squeezed. That's all it can be. The other one where you can't do it's squeeze. Only few clothes you have. Now wash and wear. That is what you are doing in Nigeria. You can't afford minor clothes shopping. So for the whole world must have noticed that I was the one clothing you, feeding you, I fed you, housing you, I housed you. I was fueling my car and driving you everywhere. You are lazy. You stayed in Europe for good 8 years. Minor certificates you were unable to achieve. All you could achieve is professional. You had a degree in chopping pekus. That was what you knew how to do. And made you become a professional in chopping pekus. And those things don't scatter your brain. Those things don't scatter your brain. Who lose? Who lose now? My children under my roof. My passport with me. Released from SER. I am back to Austria. I have been working for months. This is still my house. That is still my car. All my buildings are still intact. You didn't want me? Eh? You didn't want me? All you learned abroad, all you did for good 8 years is nothing but chopping. Because you don't suck, you chop. I always told you I don't like you sucking it. I like you to chop it. You must chop it. I don't like it when you... What is sucking? No, I don't like sucking. I like chopping. You must chop it, and you used to chop it. If you not chop and reach the way when I want them, you know, say you know, say you're going to be comfortable. So I made you a professional. That is just only the handwork and what you have achieved 8 years abroad. Now you are dragging property. You are writing it there, not for sale. Do you look at me like somebody who will be saying they use spiritual attack, they attack all the time, so I go buy very soon? And you go first buy before me. And when I am ready for you, not be a lawyer, I will take for you. I know they like to fight our fights. I want to make sure I have millions of naira. I will take you to court and I will beat you an Esther Woto. I'm not taking a lawyer of 1,000, 200,000 naira, 300,000 naira. I'm going to take a lawyer that will start with 2 million, which is just minor 1,000 euro. Better. Me. I'm not a shake. Not be 8 years I give you chances. When I let you know, say, I be pakororo, I not go school. I saw you film. All the while I fixed camera in this house. You don't know now. All the while they investigate you, they keep you quiet. They tell you, say, baby, don't do me like this. Don't look for my trouble. Don't find my trouble. Now, 8 years I keep you quiet. 8 good years. Now I give you space to repent, right? When I tell you, say, I am ready for you. Not be wrong, you're wrong. Europe reach you. And so Nigeria not go reach you. Better. I'm not... See, our landed property in Lagos. Make sure you don't sell it to anyone. You think I am coming to Nigeria? Come to Nigeria, come and fight me. If I want to come to Nigeria, I'll come to Nigeria. But hey, money speakers. I take sound, whether not sounds that they call them bigger lawyer when they closer to church. Now I go take for you. Me and you go fight the battle. Why your lawyer go sit down for one corner like this? My own lawyer go do up here. I'll tell you, say, money they talk, and I work for my money. I'm waiting to make sure I have millions. Millions. I'm not going to reach halfway. They say my 5 million don't finish. How come they look for how come they negotiate with small lawyers? No. If I use 10 million to fight you, I'm not going to regret them. I go let you know, say I go beat you for abroad. I don't beat you for Nigeria, come back home. I go still beat you again for that same Nigeria. Because don't forget, you're talking about the land. You've not paid for, you know what you signed here. The government have a copy. 150 euro you signed to be paying as child benefit. 150 euro. Monarchy is 5 years. It was when monarchy was born, you signed for it. Have you forgotten? Bro, how much is 150 euro? 150 euro times 12. Because by the time we get to court, we'll know who get that land. And they ask you 150 euro times 12, times 5, or times 6. You cannot have a child and run away. Now, international marriage certificate, now we get. I never divorce you yet. If you like, you call me X. I'm not going to divorce you. You get why? I'm not going to divorce you yet. Now, court, therefore, go divorce us. If not that Nigeria, they go divorce us for them. If not Australia, they go divorce us for them. But I know why I keep it. Because I go beat you, eh? I go beat you. You still say I dey joke. I know the joke. You cannot eat your cake and have it. You know, as I take push you, my confidence. You know the kind of human being when I be. Will make you when be secret court member. Carry only one bag. Come up for Austria. Jackpot to Nigeria. If you listen to what your commentator they talk last time when you they give an interview. You ask her, you said, if a woman is abusing you, what would you do? Would you jackpot or would you stay? Listen to what that girl told you. She said, there are other cities, there are other countries. You could have run there instead of running to FIR. Even the video you guys made there before yesterday, when she was eating whatever she was eating, saying I was her food. Listen to what she said. She said, when you say you enjoy Nigeria, you say, God forbid. Say, God forbid. Say, you don't like Nigeria. That means, nigga, there are so many reasons you guys are fighting me because I am greater than you are. I am abroad and she would love to be here. And then she make another video again. And she say, like, say she dey for abroad. Say her skin for don't dey better. Say she for don't dey eat the grapefruit. The grapefruit. Because my kind of food is tantalizing her. But she went out there and say, I don't know how to cook. She dey beat you woto. Indirectly, she dey beat you all the time in all your videos. She dey beat you if you don't know. She dey make you understand, say, why would you come back to Africa when there are other European countries? But you know, you and I know, baby. You and I know that if you were to be in Europe and behave this thing you are behaving, see, I for do you like this. You know what I mean? I for do you like this. If I know, say, Khaki no be leather. I swear. I forbid you. I thought you said it vividly how Mabel put someone in prison for good 30 months. You said it. You said it. You know why you fear. You can't misbehave. You know why we be saying. You know why, baby. You know why. You know, say this Pakororo will get ground. Me and you not be mates. Take me pictures, guys. This one a Pakororo from Igbanke Obiogba, from a poor home who has become somebody. You dare me here, fuck your man. You're wrong. Only people who have committed crime abroad self-deport. I tell you the truth. Woman like me, see as I left out. See, I not get nyash. I not get nyash. Now me throw you go back to Nigeria. When you enter road, when you see me next time, come your dogun, bros. Because of me, now you can't run. Come your dogun. You see, choose promise. I beat her woto. See, I beat choose. I beat her like small pikin. I beat choose. He said I ain't get pikin. I kept the child in my house. You dey whine me, ne? You dey whine. What about the one we did for 10 kilometers away from here? I beat her. That's why I will still beat your mama. I go beat your papa. I go beat you. I go beat that colomenta. Wait for me. Money speak. And evidences speak. I have many videos. How many? You can count mine. But how many videos you guys have made them different? As you they put up for your platform and they download. As you they put up for your platform and they download. As you they put up for your platform and they download. More than 2 USB sticks are filled up with everything you have done to me. But for all the videos you have been collecting from me, you will pay me that money because it's a crime to steal my videos. I have all the copyright. I must have made 2,000 euro from that video. 2,000 euro from each video. 2,000 euro I could receive from that video because whenever it start going viral that I could receive enough money, I have other videos that have $700 revenue, $800, one video. I will present it in court that these are the kind of video he collected. He must have collected revenue from each video. I have videos that have like that video where I was scratching my leg. It's more than $800 revenue in one video. Those are the videos you collected. Tell the government why. Tell them there why. You go court, you go hear them. Why I go there here, they go work, they make my video. A lawyer will stand for me. I will pay for it. I go let you know, say, Kokino be letter. And then if they need me, I go date that Abuja, and there's nothing you can do about it. Better, I go get ready for you. Maybe Munachi just enter like primary school, make she feel they take care of herself, they go school, come back. Now I know so I fit travel, come back. Before then, I don't start the process. Anytime soon, I go knock at your door. You know me. Don't try me, baby. You know why you ran away. Leave my videos alone. Leave my platform alone. Leave anything. If you want to saga me, go on your platform, talk. Talk, maybe la shower, maybe this, maybe le Toto Wide, maybe marry 7 husbands, maybe is a queen of Wosa because she married the king. Maybe has married how many husbands. Deja is a fatherless. Monachi is fatherless. Michelle is fatherless. Damian is fatherless. Valerie is fatherless. Yes. You are right. All my kids are fatherless. Because last time I checked, you died last week. Rest in peace to you. Rest in peace to Eliab Osifo. You have died. Eliab is gone. Gone too soon. But hey, don't touch my videos. Don't touch my properties. Because whenever you touch my properties, Ogun go buy Osifo, John Osifo, where they peaceful for body. Ogun go buy Janet Osifo, where he suffer won't kill for that Nigeria. So useless mother that did not. When they see you, they know that your mother failed in parenting. All she was doing that time now to smoke igbo and drink alcohol everywhere. They carry herself like man. They shout at your father like small pikin. They beat your papa. Were you not the one that told me how your mother used to beat your father? Swear if I am lying, how your mother used to beat your father until he peace. Swear if I am lying. Swear if you were not the one who told me that your mother used to brutalize your father all the time. The man will come just, your mother, pity. So as I pity when I visited Nigeria, pity the man. As you know, as the man not fit talk to this earlier episode, not being photo, the man not get safe for us. So. And so the man just small finish. Fear not go let him talk. That's what it be. Leave my property alone. Leave me alone. I don't know you, you don't know me. When are we going to meet each other, we will see. We'll see us in court. We're thinking at the back of your head, I want chop, you know want chop. Now you are talking about yourself. Because you, as long as I'm concerned, you are too useless for my liking. I'd rather be a single mother to ever say that's poto, that idiot, that's useless man, that good for nothing, certificate you not get, degree you not get, handwork you not get, documents you come Europe, you deport yourself you not get, a car you not get, house you don't have, children not under your roof, you have nothing to offer. You carry cucumber that day. Come. Since when I tell the whole world, say your prick small. Because your prick is very small, now it make you the. You can't carry na cucumber, come put for there, make them talk say na your prick. Who you they try to convince? You know that was not your prick, that was cucumber. Why you not move? Make them see your prick big rich like that. Now you can't see. You can't see the market. Now you can't be saying that this useless colomenta now you will be like giant. See, look at her hand. She don't get woman hand. That's what her hand be. A chimpanzee. See her hand. See how she don't dry now finish. When you were with me, that was how I was drying up. She's now dried up. 100 stars. Thank you so much, Cindy. She's now dried up. Where is Kevin Privé? Kevin Privé, I've left you. I ran away from you, right? I have 11 crew member. Kevin Privé is still in your house. Show him now. Say he did your house. Kevin Privé don't run about. If you never run, he won't run because information reaching us, voice record reaching us. Wait till you do that, boy. You use that. I ain't the type people. Voice record. I know they play people voice record, but the person record now. Send that, can't give me secretly. How Kevin Privé they cry? How you used him? Never paid him money. Never did anything. Apologizing to me. Apologizing to more. Clothes, you know, fit change since you went back to Nigeria. A whole man. Seaport, gas, you know, fit television, you know, get. The cheap chair when you go and use pepper them go buy. You don't dispose. See, you don't squeeze. This is my chair, original. It was on sales. You were there. 4,000 something euro. We bought it. How much is 4,000 in Nigeria? We are talking about almost 8 million naira for this leather chair with the year. I know they buy cheap things like that. They buy cheap things, yes. They use a mix up, all because of content, small. But for me, they like buy things where they stay forever. If you check this ring. Check out Wella. Check out this ring is already more than 18 years, 19, 20 years. Now it be this ring. 19, 20 years. If I need money, I go sell it. Check this watch. 20 years. Now this watch day. Now me now they use till they play. You see money when I go give pastor. You see the money when I they share for charity. More videos are falling. If I not get enough to feed, I not go the share. I know they do pass myself. I know they live fake life. See bundles of money. Why I go give out? Not be fake. The craze bomb day your head. You were lucky to even have opportunity to communicate with more instead of you to grab it with joy. You let it loose, or because I was kind and nice to you, you thought you could take advantage of my simplicity. I might be kind, but I'm not blind. I might be nice, but I'm not stupid. I might forgive you at a time, but I don't forget. So you have lost. You're a big loser if you don't know. Anytime, come to Europe. I bet you to come back to Europe. Fight with me. If I not jail you, call me bastard. Try him. Tell Sir Anthony to help you. Tell Lom to bring you to Europe. If I not put you for prison, call me bastard. If I not lock you up for all the things you have done, then they wait for you, safe. Not be me go lock you up. Then they wait for you already. Now you use your mouth, talk when you did police station, Alagmon, talk. They were recording you. A policeman was recording you. Austrian policeman recorded you. You know, now no say carry record. Now say na Nigerian police maybe said they're not go get anything to record situation. They recorded everything, documented it, because what you want carry can't give Austrian government if you not record them. You go remember everything. Recorded you. All you did. At the end of the day, come Europe. Anywhere where you did, they will send what did they call them? These people to go pick you any country. You know it's possible. All those ones where they write small, now they open to different accounts. They say, me, I get fake accounts. Me, fake accounts. I too big. If I want comment for your platform, the day I authorized both of you to kiss. You see, you did it for me. I'm a big girl. I was on your platform and I was commenting with my account. I told you both of you kiss. As I said it, you do it because I be your talk now. Do. Once I say it, you do what I ask you to. I asked both of you to kiss with my original this thing. I don't use fake. For what I use fake account? For you, who you be? If I won't comment for your platform, I will give them to you. I'm not a fear. If you vomit finish, you talk finish, you will rest, because I go give them to you. You will come outside, you will cry me a river for 3 months. I go make you a talkative. I will tell you, say, I know how to give you injection. You will talk. You will rest. You not fit talk, you go to boil you for body. But leave my videos alone. Leave my platform alone. I started this platform November last year with 9,000 followers. 9,000 followers, I started this platform. You don't big pass Melia Entertainment or content creator. You don't big pass KO production. Now it's about to be grow more than the children's page that you stole, which is called now a Libo page. You see, after I left you, nobody is hearing about Osifo. It's only God forbid Osifo, God forbid Osifo, God forbid Osifo. I carry grace. I was the one trading your father's name. But I don't appreciate that. Where is Osifo now? You don't hide under grave. Osifo name don't hide under grave. Fear yourself. Fear not they let you answer Osifo. Fear not they let you put a Libo Osifo. Fear not let you. Shame, disgrace not let you. Foolish man. Foolish man. If I stay this country, make I beat you. For that Nigeria, I will still beat you. I saw you they jump come out that time. Mabel is in prison. They have collected her passport. She thinks that she be Odunga. Odunga of Austria. Odunga of Nigeria. Mo will see now. Mo will not see now. And not come back. We are going to collect Valerie. We are going to... When I buy Valerie 4 million naira tickets overnight to leave Nigeria back to Austria, it not shock you. It's not all about cho. When I make sure that those landed property when we get, you know, go fit sell them. You not shock you. You fit sell them. Sell them, me will see. Sell them now without original documents, me will see. Sell am. The buyer now you go pay. You are dashing money out to a thief. So as I beat you. You say we get property for here. Property for here, you not fit touch if we get to. Because you not work. Now you the talker. You say we get property for Nigeria. Property for Nigeria. You not fit touch. You say now we get amo. You say we get Peking together. Peking, you know they hear from, you know they talk to. You know they see. I still come Nigeria, stay 6 weeks. You know see Munachi for I'll be juju with that. Or maybe you be baddest too. Maybe I like your kind of person, you know what I mean? Maybe I like you. If other people don't tell you they like you, I like you. I like your goals. I like your confidence. I like the way you handle things. I like that you are very vigilant. I'm telling myself. I like you, Mabel. I love you. I love you, Mabel. Mabel, I love you. See the kitchen there for the cook. From grace, you fall to grass. You see come social media because they say, you don't know the meaning of water on the way get dry. You don't know the meaning of water until the well get dry. Are you serious right now? You were never a well, you were never a water. You were just a dry sound, desert. You should say you don't know the meaning of desert until you become tasty. You are a desert, dry. Greatness page. Thank you so much. You were a desert. What did you bring to the table apart from chopping pekus? What have you ever done for me apart from chopping my pekus? Yes, I enjoyed it because you know how to chop. I don't like sucking, I like chopping. You know how to chop. You know how to chop. You sabi. I say, go ahead. All of you now know the position, and when you sit down on top of man like this, your head go there here, you go give him, make it a chopper. Put him for his nose, use and rub his eyes. I say, use it as a cream and perfume. I'm not lying. You know the truth. That man is sick and need counseling with his empty-headed brain. Madam from there. Swear! Say not be so it happen. Now you even they beg for it. So that I can give you pocket money. So that I can give you money to pay your children in Nigeria school fees. So that I can help you take care of your mother and your father. So whenever you need money, you will just tell me, say, baby, sit on it. Tell you, say, baby, but my period never dry now. My period never dry. Say, don't worry, you na me na you. You will just suck the blood. Blood of Jesus. My fans today, that Sunday, we are rocking it. I see everybody's loving it. You know what I mean? Yeah? Be a strong woman, baby. Be a strong woman. Be vigilant. Be wise as a serpent and be harmless as the dove. He came so that all my properties go come collect. But one like this not reach your hand. I make a knock on, they worry my platform. They worry my platform. Don Billion, be video with me, and Don Billion is now my future husband. Future husband. Message go reach your mama and your papa hand very soon. You know now, you know say una too, una know where una they come from. You know every now. You know every now. You know say not be only you the secret codes. Bomb dey your head, useless man, shameless fool. See woman like me, instead of you to be celebrating me like your God, they use that rotten thing. They say you want pepper me. You won't use that thing that has no. She did not even finish secondary school. She did not even go primary school. She does not have a home. The mother is nobody. The father is nowhere to be found. Her two brothers there for mortuary. They not see 500,000 naira to bury them. Hair she not gets. Clothes she not gets. Car she not gets. Lagos she never cross. She never even reach Abuja before. She not get Austrian passport. Children, maybe she gets from different father, but she's still barren. That thing, we get leg like this. We be like Maybe like animal. Now you want use to pepper me. Can't use that one to pepper me now. You're too small now. If you use that kind of thing to pepper me, you don't say you are stupid. If they use that kind of thing to pepper me, you hold me. Me still lang wa wo me dey. Me maybe. Me maybe. When you know say for good 8 years you don't suck blood. You carry the same amount of blood. Say they go the sucker, say come out now. Me I call the cry. Maybe say you be reservoir. Still when I throw for you. Me wait till you say, baby, take your bag and leave my house. Just leave now. Go and do the needful. Go and get busy. Stop blackmailing me and my children. Go and repent. Go and do your driver license. Go and walk. And me throw away you for more for house. Say, go and be born again. And me now, they call the pepper me. You know how many men we won't build me? They crazy. What they your head? I mean not the ones. I they scream them where. I go scream you. If you not fit, I will push you come out. You not fit, I will push you come out. You not fit, I will push you come out. Think say man and money. Man they pay my bill. He said, Bia, did you say this period? I'm telling you the truth. But tell us I never dry. You know, say when you see period the first day, the second day, the third day, now so they poor. This about sifo, now so they suck. Especially when you don't need money for your mama, don't need money for papa, don't need money, don't want steal again, don't want beg. Before he beg, he go just make I sit down on top of her. A blessing Okoye. That is say, now true I tell you now, not be saga. Me I know they come here, can't lie. I'm not, it's not a lie. Oh. If not lie, make you go report me for Ayelala. If you wait till I talk now, say not lie. Make you go report me for Ayelala again. I will answer, I go swear. Everything when I talk for you, I know they lie. I know they lie. Everything when I talk for you, I know how that anything join. I say I they do saga, make I have join her. When the truth plenty. Now I will come they lie. Which one I will have join and I say it will not do. Say you not video my nakedness, blackmail me, collect 12 million plus 2,000 euro, run back to Italy. Brother Robert Okedo is a witness. Your sister for UK. Wait till be her name fast. I go remember her name in the meantime we are still talking. She's aware of it. Solomon Bobby in Germany is aware of it. Doris, Doris Production is aware of it. Your brother Edwin Sass is aware of it. He have the video. What did they call her? This girl went there for France. Our Egmanke sister, she have the video. She's aware of it. Our Pastor Johnny, is aware of it. Heather Monday was aware of it. Now them beg me, everybody begged me, say make I forgive, say na devil walk. Our Pastor Johnny was aware of it. Am I lying? The blood when you dey shit. You know send some video, go give Doris. You know send some video, can't give me, say you shit. You know send some video, go give Bobby. You know send video, go give a pastor. Who you know send video, give, say you dey shit. Blood. Say you not chop my purpose with blood. Bros, I lie with that. Say you not suck my purpose with blood, you not suck my menstruation. You say me I dey lie. Where they use and swear. They suck the purpose, they suck the blood. They use and swear. Say if you ever hurt me, say you will run mad. It will never be well with you. Have you forgotten how many times we did that? Just how they lie. They craze, bump to your head. Because I keep you quiet. Your own is finished. Allah, Allah, Allah. They have done gone. I mentioned names. If it was a lie, I wouldn't mention names so fast. Can't carry my video day before yesterday again. Dey on your own, everywhere don't quiet. Do your video, you dey Nigeria. I dey here. He say, I beg mama, I dey. He say, I beg mama, I dey eat oh. You know, I use truth to fight my own. I know they use lie fight my own. I dey use truth to fight my own. I love you, Nne. Thank you so much, Sister Precious. God bless you.
Mommy,
Who run the world, girls? Yeah, baby.
you have to look for my socks.
Your socks is in the bag. We make sure that bag is filled up. It's there. Downstairs. That red bag. A lot of socks. It's full.
The red one is
Yes.
only red.
Only red bag, but full, filled up with white socks, black, different color, pink. We have a lot of, for all of us. We have plenty socks there, okay?
Is there also stitched one?
You say, God, I dislike that man. Like, I don't even want to, I don't want to hear his name. I wish he just forget about me. Everybody move on. Stay on your lane, I stay on my lane. Marriage not let you do again. We not there again. Me, I not be your level. As long as you are now in Nigeria, I'm not your level anymore. I dey abroad. Now not be my level. Mona just they kill mosquito. They kill mosquito. They eat from that kind of pot. Look at two of you. Your girlfriend be like vulture. After she go even weave this, she can't look like vulture. Udele chakunche. Eki ori chakunche. Udele chakunche. Eki ori chakunche. What is she want to do for her platform now? Mebelo, Jezebel, Ashawo. You don't marry seven husbands. Your children are fatherless. Don't forget your own children are fatherless, so they don't carry your nash come outside. Plus all your brothers were there for we don't drive or inside mortuary. I lost him very. And your mama leg be like a HIV positive. I not call your name. I not call your name because you get why. The day when we go reach court, you will tell me where I for call your name. The day when we go reach court, you tell me where your name there for my platform. You tell me when me I saga you when your name there for my platform. But I get 2 USB sticks when you saga me. Do I know you from Adam? You come there, can't tell the world, say you be my husband, my forbidden, God forbid husband, wife. You bring your marriage certificate that day when we go reach courts. You bring your marriage certificate, come daddy. Who run the world, girls? Who run the world, girls? Who run the world, girls? Girls. You can't talk if Anofi fights you. Michelle will write petition against you. Michelle and whosoever is not related. Why did you saga Michelle? Why did you saga Damien? Why did you saga Valerie? All of us will drag you. If Anofi drag you, the children will drag you. And one of us will win the case. Mia Grace, thank you so much. Now this man, they do himself. See everywhere. They quiet since he just wake up. Now, the other day, he made a video. They talk, say he is missing me. He dey whine. He's missing me. He is using idea to beg. He wants to come outside and beg. To see you guys' reaction. To see whether una go accept him or una go blast him. He won't come beg. He's frustrated. The land when he put mind for Nigeria, say he go sell. I get the document. I hide them. The day when they look for it, they look for it. Say they look for a school certificate. The Dutch course when he pay people to write for it. My mind, I know say this man they look for something very valuable. But he don't know say I sharp person. The only thing when they want to do me now at this page. Otherwise, do me something else. You don't go voodoo, you don't do everything. You know they work. Because me, I be dead body. Dead body know they die 2 times. 2 landed properties. You na see and say video ran. Now me buy and my money be that. Another bigger one like that, like 2 plots. That one when the video that day, they are pricing it 40 million. I don't want to sell it for 40 million. I'm selling it for 60 million because the location and everything is worth it. 60 million naira. Another one like that day again. They for Lagos again. You invested this for a man or with a man. He still on the game mouth, they talk nonsense, they think say, waiting that colo mental now don't do for you since we are 2 days together. Say, babe, you sharp. I'm telling you the truth. I know that. You don't understand. I love you, not supposed to make us stupid. The only stupid when I play there be say, I allowed him to handle the page. Because I don't know much about the page. So somebody was working with us too. When he used later on. That was just all. If not, if I not still get access to the pages. You run, go Nigeria, maybe you go sell land, 60 million, sell this one, sell this one. You don't know, so I don't hide the document for my kpekus. I don't hide all the document for my kpekus. You can't go empty-handed, you can't forge. He wanted to forge, you go meet lawyer, I want to forge document. And they tell and say, don't do it, it's a crime in Nigeria. You can't forge document without original document. You cannot sell a property. You sell it, I bring my own original. Then the person will buy and will give you money for free. Go carry a load, they go. Now me whole original, now me go fit sell. If I want sell them as I did, I fit sell them. Give you what I won't give you. If I don't want give you, I don't go give you. But we'll go sell them in court. Because you know what? That 150 euro when you sign for. When you sign for the document they house here, when you sign for, they pay as child benefits at for the child, the day when they bomb on a chin, now you sign for it. Remember, 5 years now, 150 euro now you sign for. We will come out from that your own money first. Court must make sure it's done because that child they eat, they drink, and waiting you sign for here. 150 euro times 12 times 5 or times 6. Before they go feast the new one when I know say you not go pay, but the one when I know say you go pay, you must pay, and when you don't sign for us, sha. No, first remove 150 times 5 years before we'll do anything sharing. And then the other land for Lagos, maybe you don't temper them, we'll bring and come out. All my videos when you don't collect, when Meliab they there, Elibo they there, everything they there, I don't screenshot them. Each video was supposed to have given me minimum of 500 to 1,000 euro. You go pay. I say I go drag you. I swear down. I will make sure I have a lot of millions of naira. And I'm working on it. I'm almost there. Now my finger go do like this. No, which can you do like that? See somebody do something do something like this yesterday for him page. Because they appreciate. Oh, le buruku or more jati. Something like this, oh. Because they appreciate now only good things now you want. Thief. You don't want to work for it. In the morning you day for bed. In the afternoon you day for bed. In the evening you day for bed. Sleep. They carry bola. They showcase. Asabi Duduvaga. Oh, I just now reasonable man will be engineer, doctor, lawyer, businessman. Now he go Duduvaga and wife finish. Come social media content and say, baby, you like it? Oh, baby, is it sweet? Now that one I take build house when I take house you for good 8 years. When you come this house, you know something a man builder and I'm me, I builder. At that one. Shameless pekus chopper. Now we they run things. We are solidly behind you from Ghana. Thank you so much, Sister Leon. Grateful man he is. Too much. He thought after I forfeited that money, he has crippled me. Thank God for my nursing certificates. Thank God for my talents. I was still able to continue to create more content. Thank God for my strengths. Thank God for any woman. Learn how to keep money somewhere. Save. And so there was a lot of debt on my neck. That's why I go bank. bring out 4,000, bring out 7,000. Ah, yeah, I see. Even some, I've been saving for Munachi since she was born. I'm not going to remove her because I put it in a way that I will never ever remove it. Me, I dey save for Munachi every month. If the situation warrants, I get a CB, I go bring her come out, which is millions of naira. You as a gunner, you have nothing to write on my back. The same knicker when I bought for you here. Me and you and Uncle Sam and Sam went for shopping. I paid 1,000 euros to take you for shopping. Now you see the wear. That is the same knicker, the same short. All those short knicker you see him wearing. I bought it for you. You are still putting it on. You saw the necklace. You even used my money to buy that necklace. I'm not wearing it. Anything concerning you. It's a counterfeit. I don't know you, nigga. They say I too they brag. Why I not go brag? A big pass some people when I they brag for. Guys, it's kind of fresh here. It's cold a little bit. I'm gonna be saying goodbye. Why I make some reels with the kids. Yes, I make some reels with the kids. Yes, this is my private house. I've been here now. If you go there, you see airport. 2 minutes away from here. Airport. We are talking about 900 euro. They talk to a person who be billionaire. Those color people, they talk to a billionaire, they crazy. Private house I did for abroad, I build them fresh. 2014, moved in here, they crazy. See airport for them, see airport. 2 seconds. They talk to me. They talk to me, you won't talk about wig, say my wig not be original. You see how many years are they wear this wig? How many years? You know they see, no they see. A live video with them. Me and you are mates. Me and una mates. No sense I dey sag my trouser. 40-something years old. No sense. That's it's Chris. Said you have a good dad. Yes, I have a good dad. Once they mess themselves up, I will mess them up too. I so much love you. You are very smart and intelligent. God is your strength. I tell you, be smart, baby. The reason why I talk all those things is you as a woman, be smart, be calculative. Be calculative. They can't chop, they can't stock. Empty bag. Now all of them they carry come out. Or they go still go present for another 30 months. That Peking, you not go see him. Because you will come, they commit crime. I will come, they keep him for you. By the time I'm done with you, you'll come, maybe you come collect Peking. Come, you come see, maybe you come see Peking. Come, maybe you come collect property. Come, maybe you come say, only buku. Or more jati, olush. You become steal property. For your mind, as we they invest for Nigeria and your own. You don't know, say I wise past you. They use paper, but you know they go to write, not for sale, not for sale. We will see who will balance each other when the time reach. When you were signing the document that they say 50% custody. I am the father. I gave you 50% custody. You still say you be champion. You don't know, say they tie you down. You pay. You think that document where you sign as a 50% custody, you don't come talk for your platform, which I have downloaded. You think it's for nothing? It means you must pay. You must take care of the child. That is European law. But as long as we have property in Nigeria, whenever it is sold, you will pay before we do plus and minus. Not be me and you go just the sell land. Now lawyer, now court go sell land for us. Say, Mama, I like your spirits. Yes, we are communicating and you are learning. Be sharp. Be wise. Be vigilant. Don't let man just take advantage anyhow. Now I make her they cry, guys, because I beat her. I beat her with. Now I make her continue to they cry for social media. If you carry bag wrong, come out. Make I talk say the widow money don't lost. Who send widow money? If now only way I don't try reach as single-handedly without any man. I try. My man don't get house. And then I can boast of 4 buildings. 4 buildings abroad, not in Nigeria. Not in Nigeria.
That is not honest.
I try. If you like, you say I dey brag. I try. Make the colo mentor go try pass me. Me with herself, I don't know who's senior. Yes, she not get bicycle. 2 of them there for 1 machine. they talk say life will not be this. Now only sorrowful things will they write for your platform. Make it. Make it. Or you die trying. Make it. I want to see something. Not be able. You'll stand, the man will stand, they talk for social media. You talk about me because I'm too big for you to talk about it. You must talk about me. I made it understand. I made you understand. I say you must talk about me.
I did not say me.
I am the hair you breathe. As you still in Nigeria, I made they put food for your table because you must talk about me. Say, my dear, ignore that man. I will not ignore him. Now he can't collect my video again. He came to collect my video. My video and Dombillion video that we were putting ice block here. The video was going viral. He collected it. He monetized it on his page and blocked my own from going viral. He collected the day before yesterday. Why? So guys, thank you all so much for joining me, and I love you guys so much. I don't tell them the truth. Anytime when they come, I'll constantly tell them the truth. I'll call they give them to your mama. There is still more to it when I never talk. Anytime when you touch my video, don't touch my video, leave me alone. Talk about me on your platform, insult my children, insult me on your platform. Don't touch my properties again. When you write, say, that our landless property is not for sale, did I respond? Because I was the one who said, I don't want to sell for 40 million. I don't want to sell. Now, me hold document. I'm not selling. But when you wrote it on your platform that is not for sale, I mind you. Because that's when you write for themselves not make sense. Not make sense. But you taking my video, Dombillion took his time to come and shoot content. Me, I took my time to shoot content. That ice block, we bought it. We didn't freeze it. We had to go and buy it very fast. And then you carry the video. You look for my trouble again. So please, whenever you take my video, you do anything again, I'll come fight you. So your mother is stupid. John Osifo is stupid. Janet Osifo is stupid. Blessing Osifo. All of you are useless. Shameless family. Poverty won't chop on a throwaway. So Mona carry una Eliab Osifo. Mona go bury him because he don't die. He don't buy. Eliab don't buy. Eliab nah. Eliab is gone. Eliab nah. You didn't hear it when his colo girlfriend was saying it. Eliab nah. Eliab Bona is gone. His Bola is gone. Eliab is gone. Go and bury your brother. Thank you all so much. Love is just a brother saying, let me just create a little content for you guys. Me, I don't care anymore. If I like, I post. If I don't like, I don't post. If you like to go viral, I don't like, don't go viral. Give it a roll. Let it happen. No more pressure. No more pressure from Osifo family. Now only way see I go chop. Now they look for. I know they carry my bag. They run go any country. So they relocate. I won't start all over again. No, not yet. No more pressure from Osifo family. Now only way see I go eat. Michelle is under salary. Damien is under salary. Valerie is receiving salary. Even Deja is receiving more than 500 euro salary. What say I they look for life? Only Monachi, then I have to spend for. You can't talk to me. Maybe Michelle can't tell you her salary every month. Maybe Damien can't tell you his salary every month. Maybe Valerie can't tell you her salary. One of the ask where she for still money to buy me things. Me with you not be mates. You Garrett. Thank you all so much, Jerry. I know say their head not they work. They are shameless food. They don't buy. Dead body not they hear word. Now be their problem. I love you guys so much. I would like to stay here forever. You know what I mean? I like to stay here forever. Well, I too fine. See my swagalicious body. Let's go now. I want to create content. Love you guys. Love is a brave thing. Don't get it. I'm going to read all your comments. He said, oh my God, you see, like as if you see my spirit, they walk. Oh, Princess Charity. He said, I will not comment on your platform again. You don't like me and you don't see my comments. You see. This Mebele, now God. Charity, I just read your comment. Nothing the apple. You know, say both of us are 5 and 6 now. My fans, they know me. They know me. We be sisters. We be brothers. You don't understand? We be sisters, we be brothers. I be your younger sister, I be your elder sister. Forget. You're not supposed to worry you. I go read your comment. I love all of you. You know now. Forget. Good deed is never forgotten. I must not read your comment for you to know that I acknowledge you being around and supporting justice. You know now. That is exactly the charity organization we have opened. Good deed is never forgotten. You are recognized. That you are not recognized right now, you are not being called right now, doesn't mean that you are not recognized. Just continue being good, continue being nice. God will pay you back, not be human being. You don't understand me, so now God. I love you, sisterly. Charity, princess. I love you, Wella. Mwah, mwah, mwah. My still come on names now. When I don't go beat me. Yasmin. Yasmin Kano. Thank you so much. Nili. You know, say, they go carry Nelly, go, they fight me. They carry love, they fight me. You they fight yourself. Me, I don't send you. Just leave me. Leave my platform. Talk. Use all the words. They saga me. Who look at me? You are display your stupidity outside. I be your own. Feto! Faith Johnson is in the house. Queen Debbie is in the house. Christina! I hate. Kebe! Hey! Angela! I hate. Jenny Naya! Who they? When you have all these wonderful fans like Messi. Thank you so much, Messi. Firenze, Chilo. I hail you. Love it. Chilo. Look at them now. Look at them. You guys are 1 in a million. Angela, thank you so much. Everybody, thank you so much. You guys know you rock my world, you know. I always missed you guys so dearly. I missed you just like the desert means the rain. And I love you to the moon and back. Love is just a beautiful thing. Don't forget to always be nice, to be, you know, to be kind, because love is a beautiful thing when you get it twisted. Maybe I'll go give you woto for nyash. That is where my word of love is a beautiful thing. Don't get it twisted. Loving him was very beautiful, but he got it twisted and now he has to suffer in Nigeria. Love you guys.